Hello, this is Michael, and I will attempt to solve this chess puzzle. On YouTube, there's a video where it says you have to be a genius to solve it. However, with chess, with math, with programming, with a lot of things, it's not really about how smart you are, it's more about training and what you've learned in life. So, here we go, let's try it. We have 1 minute on the clock for each of us, so I'll have to move quickly. Let's see. And don't worry, I can try to walk you through it after I finish the puzzle. Normally you don't try and rush through a puzzle. Normally it's something you take your time on and analyze. But I like this one because it's weird, but it's also kind of simple in its own way. So there we have checkmate. So I'll try to explain from the beginning. So this was a puzzle where you could say it was mate in 20. Mate in 20 means that checkmate occurs within the next 20 moves, assuming both sides play perfectly. I played against Stockfish level 8 because this is a situation where no matter how good the computer is, it can't get out of checkmate, assuming I make the right moves. So with this puzzle, I start here, and this king here is very limited, and each one of the moves that it makes is force. So with this first move here, the king only has two options. Actually, no, only one option. So it can't use this rook right here. Let's get to the analysis board. So it can't use this rook because it's pinned by the queen. So it has to use this rook. Then now this rook is pinned by this queen. And that keeps happening and happening and happening. Each rook gets it pinned by the queen from protecting the check. But then over here we have this pawn that comes down. And this pawn is a limiting factor here where pawns can only move forward, which in this case is in a downward direction. When black is playing, its pawns can only move towards the first rank, which is down here. So as these queens continue to move around, pinning the rooks, and it continues. And then here, there's this check, but then after this, there's no more rook there to move over because this rook is pinned. So here, there's finally no defense for the black king. And this position looks impossible, but it's not an impossible position, it's only unlikely. Because in chess, you can promote a pawn to any piece. You can promote a pawn to a knight, a queen. The only things that you cannot promote a pawn to are another pawn or a king. So here, yeah, so have a great day.